Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add transparent background in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add transparent background. Go to the page design menu. Then select the background option. Then go to more backgrounds. Now we can see here I added the gradient fill background. Now we want to make this background transparent. Select the no fill option, then click OK. Now we can see we added or insert the transparent background to this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.